Model, 2018 Peugeot Expert Professional 2.0 HDI needs engine repair, runs 54k miles, Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 54,004. Engine, 1997 ccdw10fe. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine is shaking and has a slight rod knock, engine needs repairing. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, aircon. Euro status, Ulez Compliant. HPI, Clear S in 2024. Cap retail, 8,200.